The Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi inaugurated the Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today, welcoming all the dignitaries to the event. Shri Modi remarked that it was the Mahaparinirvana Divas of Babasaheb Drive B.R. Ambedkar. He added that the constitution drafted by Babasaheb Ambedkar, which completed 75 years, is a great inspiration to all the citizens. Shri Modi paid homage to Babasaheb Ambedkar on behalf of all the citizens of India, noting that Bharat Mandapam had been a witness to many national and international events over the past 2 years, including the successful organization of G20 meeting. Shri Modi remarked that today's event was even more special. He added that the event had made the entire Delhi glisten with diverse shades of Northeast India, adding that the first Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav will be celebrated over the next 3 days. Shri Modi said the event would display the potential of entire Northeast India to the country and the world. He added that the event would witness many business agreements and also display various products from the Northeast along with the culture, cuisine and other attractions. He further added that the event would also inspire the people from the achievements of various achievers, including Padma awardees who were present, terming the event as unique and first of its kind. Shri Modi said the event would open doors to huge investment opportunities in Northeast India. He added this was a great opportunity for the farmers, workers and craftsmen along with the investors across the world, remarking that exhibitions at the event displayed the diversity and the potential of Northeast India. Shri Modi congratulated and gave his best wishes to the organizers of Ashtalakshmi Mahotsav, people of Northeast India and the investors. The Prime Minister said that in the last 100 to 200 years, everyone witnessed the rise of the Western world and the Western region has had an influence on the world at every level, economic, social and political. He added that India too had incidentally seen the influence of Western region and its role in its growth story. Shri Modi remarked that after the West-centric period, the 21st century belongs to the East, that is Asia and India. Shri Modi expressed his firm belief that in the times to come, India's growth story also belongs to Eastern India, and Northeast in particular. He added that in the past decades, India had seen the emergence of big cities like Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad. Shri Modi stressed that in the coming decades, India will see the new potential of cities like Guwahati, Agartala, Imphal, Itanagar, Gangtok, Kohama, Shillong and Aizawl, and events like Ashtalakshmi would play a major role in that.